She been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a little bit. I didn't really have any good ideas to film lately, and it is currently like 12 o'clock. And I just decided to make a video, so we're gonna see how it goes. Today we are going to be doing just an eye look, and we are also going to be trying out these BB lash pack. Just keep watching, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, and we have primed the eyes with our Ready Set Gorgeous CoverGirl Concealer in the shade Fair, and we're just going to get started and get a little creative with this look. I'm not sure what kind of look I want to go for yet. It's always my problem. I never know. I just kind of wait, and it just kind of happens, I guess. Well, I also haven't filmed recently because I guess like every winter my skin wants to be and wants to break out in eczema, so my skin has been itching and on fire for like the past 4 days, and I just had to take a break. It was killing me. Okay. Alrighty. And we are going to be going in with our smaller e.l.f. brush, our smaller crease e.l.f. brush. And we are going to be going into the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. And we are going to be picking up some of that Blissful right there and some of that Pleasure right here. I just up my palette with my brush. Great. Awesome. And we're just going to be taking it kind of like that. Going in with some of that Blissful again. And again, guys, I did my eyebrows off camera. It just takes too long for me to do my eyebrows on camera. Y'all would be sitting here for like an hour just watching me want to kill myself, basically. So yeah, if you would want to see a tutorial on that, like I said plenty of times, just comment below. And right now we are going to be going in with the eye blending brush, and we are just going to be blending this transition color out all over that eye. Okay, we are back from doing the other eye, and next we are going to be jumping in. What's my hair doing? Why can I never figure it out? Maybe oops. You know what? Maybe guys would be completely totally down with watching me all the time if I could just get my together, but I swear to God I'm trying. Okay, so in like that short 5 seconds, I guess I'm going to be doing a more brownish kind of look, I guess, warmer kind of tone, but I'm going to be going in with this huge palette that I got for Christmas from my mother. I mean, it's a little cheap ass palette, but I mean, should we be making shit work? I ain't never doubted. for downing. But we're just going to go back in with the same brush that we were using beforehand. And they actually don't have any names for them. But I'm going to be taking that warmer kind of brown chestnutty color. Taking that into my brush a few times. Tapping it off. And we are just going to be putting it in right here. And let me get a little closer for y'all. Y'all can see that. Okay, now, next, we are going to be going in with the Ulta Beauty Crease Brush. I got this for Christmas also, so let me just, I'm going to hop into this blue right here. This darkish kind of blue right here. And we're going to see how this works. Okay. Oh my gosh. And we're just going to pop that bad boy on right there. Yes, we are. One thing I really hate about blues is how you just have to pack that shit on. Unless you have the right palette. Unless you have the right palette, my friend. Let's see. I've been trying to get the James Charles palette for like since Christmas, because a friend of mine gave me an Ulta gift card for Christmas, and then I got a $25 gift card from the in-laws side of the family. So, but ever since I've been looking for it, it's been out of stock. Even James uploaded for like 3 days about his launch on the restock. Well, I'm guessing they didn't want to stock Ulta. But I get it, you know, a lot of customers got on. But more be sold out in like no time. Like no time. I was like, it was like 9 or 10 when it dropped here. And it was like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning when it dropped his time. And they were gone before like the first 30 minutes. Okay, but I'm going to be doing this eye off camera just to save time. I know you hate seeing these long ass videos, so I will be right back and then we'll jump into the next thing. Okay, next, now that we've got this all worked out, what we are going to do next is we are going to be cutting the middle right here, kind of giving that halo effect. Let's see what we get up. But while we were off camera, I just kind of filled in this one right here, and then I cleaned up the fallout because that blue had so much fallout just all over my face. So I'm really not good at doing a halo on my own self, but I did one on my friend the other day. I'm not even gonna lie, that was a bomb. Like, oh my god. She looks so shitty. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in with this Royal and Langnickel brow brush, and just so I can get like a sharper line with this, because this is not cutting it. And I need another fucking tube out of that shit. Okay, and now we are going to be going into our Sultry palette by Profusions, and we are going to be hopping in with Burr. This blue color, this bluish goldish color right here, bluish silver color right here. While that stuff is still tacky, and we're just gonna pop that bad boy in the middle right there. And honestly, I love this color. Oh my god. I love this color. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be going in with my Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and we are going to be going in with this really pretty kind of like greenish gold. I'm just gonna lightly, like barely put this shit in there, but it's gonna be there if you get me. But it's gonna barely be there. Okay, just like that. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with my Ulta eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be going in my Sultry palette, and I'm going to be going in with that blue lagoon color right there, and we're just going to be kind of like just unharshing those edges. If you move glitter like I just did, then you're going to move glitter like I just did. And then, awesome. Alright guys, and like I did for this eye, I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. And yes, I had a little wardrobe change. Sorry, it got like really hot, so I had to change. Okay, so I've got this eye covered. Obviously, you can see I've done my foundation, concealer, bronzer, powder. I'm letting in still a few spots, kind of sit and bake while I go ahead and move on. Next, we are actually going to be going in with a smaller crease brush, and we are going to be going in with this palette, the Beauty Creations palette Tease Me, with that color Pleasure right there that we went in to begin with. We're just going to take this under the lash line. Okay, and then we are going to be going in with that darker brown color Charming tap off the excess. And we're just going to put this right here at the end. Just like that. Okay, we're going to be jumping back into our Solery palette. And we're going to be going back in with that Lagoon Blue. And you know what, we're going to mix a little bit of that Royal Blue with it in the inner corner. We're just going to kind of work it up. And you can, as I do it, you guys can actually see what colors I am tapping back and forth with at the times that I put it on my eye. Okay, and then I'm going to be going in with that Risky Brown right there. My favorite brown. Oh my god. Y'all know how I feel about this. It's bomb. And we're just going to kind of give it like a darker black effect. And down here, kind of like that. Okay, and I wish this portion didn't take forever for me, but sadly it does. I am actually going to be applying my lashes off camera, like I said, just to save time for you guys. Just like with my eyebrows, if you guys would like to see a tutorial, please leave your comment down below. If you want to see anything on my channel, just leave a comment down below and I would be more than happy to upload it and sit down and actually talk to you guys and open up a little bit. And yeah, so I will be back when that is done. Okay guys, we are back. I'm actually really liking the eyelashes, like I really am. They're BB lashes, and yeah, I just kind of try. I mean, they're probably nothing that I would wear to like for a night out or nothing, but maybe for like a little holiday like get together with the family or something, definitely. But I mean, the band on them, like I said, it would be nothing for the night out. Oh, look at that highlight. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down below for, like I said, any ideas you guys might have or would like to see on my channel. I'm open for any variety, not just makeup. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, sorry I haven't been that active here lately. I just haven't been feeling myself, and the whole eczema breakout, just I could not put products on my face. I had to let it air out. There was actually some splotching pretty close, like right in here. You can kind of see it right here in the camera. But other than that, my face is actually pretty much back to normal. And I'm actually pretty thankful for that. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.